Hi everybody, we are at the very beginning of the load management season for 2018, and with that we'd like to tell you about some new technology that you may see out at your field site. What we have going on, we've done a lot of installation of some new metering systems throughout the entire district, and along with that we needed to install some new load management devices in order to be able to talk with those meters and have a system that was compatible. We are actually in the process of installing that equipment yet this summer, so not everyone has seen this technology out in their field yet, but just in case you have, we thought we would explain a little bit about what you're going to see out at your service site. Anthony, why don't you go ahead and tell them a little bit about the load management system and what the different lights mean, because it is different from the older system that they're accustomed to.
That is correct, Leanne. This year you're going to see two load controls out at your box, and the box I've just referred to here will look similar to this. You're probably used to the other box that's got the big whip antenna. This does not. When you look inside, it looks dark inside, but you're going to see two lights in there. Currently, when you're not under control, you'll see a little amber yellow light that flashes, and when you see that, what it means is that you're not controlled and that the box is communicating with our load control system, but at that time you still have power. When we go under control, when we start using this later in the summer, you're going to see a red light come on, and what that will mean is that you're under control. So if you see a red light, you're being controlled, and if you see just an amber light, you're not. Now this will be used along with our old load control system, so as the summer goes on we will begin using this, so you will notice those boxes lighting up and the colors changing. Okay,
so really when this device is working, that's us kind of getting accustomed to how it works and practicing the system with.
That's correct. We'll be using both systems this year. We're starting with the old system, which has different colored lights, which we've used for 20-some years. And as we slowly move over, you'll see the other box will stop operating. It will always be on, and this box will be controlling you. So always check those boxes. If you don't have power, if you're under control, you'll be able to look at the lights. The lights are hard to see. They're small. You'll probably have to cover it and take a peek, but you'll get used to it. Just a little bit different than before.
Okay, very good. That's a great explanation. And again, with the load management season upon us, just a reminder that all other forms of communication are the same as they were in previous years.
That is correct.
Okay.
The phones, the hotline, the text messaging, Facebook, Twitter. Am I leaving something out?
I think that's a good summary. Also, KRVN is going to supply.
That's correct, and the
well.
KRVN updates, people still like that. I even listen to that when I'm farming, so it's a good way to also hear what's going on.
Okay, very good. And if you'd like a rundown of all of that information, you can take a look at the newsletter that was sent to all of our irrigation customers earlier this season, and that is also available on your website. So check that out if you'd like just a simple overview of the entire program itself. Thank you, everyone.
You bet.
Have a great afternoon.
Yeah, take care.